Hello and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing peanuts. Which do you think has more moisture, packing peanuts or roasted and salted peanuts? Let's find out. For today's test, we're using polystyrene packing peanuts and roasted and salted peanuts that are still in their shells. For the test, we ground an entire peanut, shell and all, in a coffee grinder to increase the surface area of the sample. A packing peanut was also cut into smaller pieces to increase the surface area and to help the pieces fit through the opening of the sample bottle. After weighing the samples in their respective sample bottles, we placed them on the transport, entered their weights into the moisture analyzers, selected the correct program, and started the test. Monitoring the moisture content in peanuts, whether they're of the packing or food variety, is an important part of the manufacturing process for each product. For polystyrene packing peanuts, although they are non-hygroscopic by nature, monitoring the moisture content during production helps manufacturers ensure product quality and consistency. And for the food variety, monitoring moisture content during harvesting, curing, and storage helps determine the price and storability of peanuts before they are sold. Excess moisture in peanuts can lead to mold, spoilage, and even spontaneous combustion, so it's important to know the moisture content. As you can see from our test, the food variety of peanuts had approximately 60 times more moisture than the packing peanuts. The difference can be attributed to the fact that, even though the two share the same name, they are completely different materials and are therefore dried to very different specifications. Thanks for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of packing peanuts and roasted and salted peanuts. If you did, let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than moisture matters. If you like this video, click on the box to the left to check out some of our other Moisture Matters videos. Have something you want us to test? Suggest the next Moisture Matters topic by clicking on the box to the right.